After gathering all of my courage and putting an insane amount of sunscreen, I finally decided today's the day when I'm going to repot my broken monstera. It used to be my favorite plant. I mean, who doesn't love a monstera? It used to be my most expensive plant. And here I am. I have cut it into four pieces in order to rescue and propagate and save whatever I could. So I began by freeing and the root system. I'm removing this thick red soil because monstera loves very airy potting mix, and I went ahead and I freed the root ball. While doing this, I heard a snap and I noticed that one of the stem is broken, but luckily it was the smaller stem. This huge plant had two stems growing, and I noticed that the smaller one had broken. Now, that is the stem. This is the stem which I had previously cut because the second stem had healthier foliage. That foliage was not impacted, not as terribly impacted as the bigger one. So I'm gently trying to place it into this 16-inch pot, and I'm trying to place it in such a manner that the plant tries to support itself. It auto supports rather than using a moss pole. Eventually I might get planks and I might give it some support, but I'm just trying to place it. The stem is so thick, it's nearly 1.5 inch or 2 inches thick. So it's quite difficult. I was honestly considering snapping it in two and having maybe two plants out of it, but I thought it would be too much. The top leaf, our top end, is honestly not doing good because it is bruised. So there are two things that can happen: either the top leaf will push out a new leaf, or it will push out a new petiole. I'm hoping that it's gonna push out a new leaf, a new stem, because that's what happened to my other monstera as well. That the leaf got burnt, the top leaf got burnt, and um, it pushed out a new node. So these are the two things that might happen. Now monsteras are also super sturdy, so I'm just taking it in the most positive manner that I have I've tried to propagate it. I've tried to have create as many plants as I possibly can out of it. So I will share the update now. Now, yeah, that's about it. I will try to update you on its success. I hope it's a success. But that's about it. I have used a lot of cocoa peat, I've used vermicompost and sand. I've also removed two leaves so that there is better airflow, and also the plant is messy, the leaves are all battered. I'm not a fan of the beautiful aesthetic that normally monstera has, but here I am struggling. So please keep me in your prayer, or perhaps not me but my monstera in your prayers, and I hope she survives. That's about it. I love her so much. So yeah, until next time, bye.